Tingilobola umbali ngathi Samkelo mfethu uyangazi mina mfethu ngicela uyeke ukwenza lento yenzayo ngicela ungitshene I know bra I know ngitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani Tam are you gay? Yes I'm gay ngiyabonakala thank you so
nami ngizoyiveza
so how mina content zoyivela bayabona laba a content zoyiveza so ke hayi uSamkelo kangitshela ukuthi hey wendoda kushubile how kwenzakala uhlekana wena Loveness uSamkelo kwenzakalani angitshene uSamkelo athi hayi wendoda ngithi Samkelo ngicela ubhodla lapha kimi ngobhuti wakho Samkelo ngicela uyeke asize ingane ngicela bandla ubhodla yo ngenzi hi you've got no idea of what I'm actually going to do now I think maybe this is the last person I'm calling actually to find out about what happened about ulelo indaba kaSamkelo zomlobola and stuff like that ngisafonela Makoya Bearings Malumuya Lumana because like ngiyazi ukuthi they've got actually a very good bond and a relationship between the two because uSamkelo wayeclaim ukuthi ubaba wakhe uTira anyways bayafana ke so now nje ngizomshayashaya umalume then bese ngingena estoryini ngifuna ukuza nje iqiniso lendaba you know ukuthi actually malume what is happening I'm now calling DJ Tira Makoya DJ Tira Makoya Bearings
Hola.
Malum. Kamba kanjani?
Ngikrend wena?
Right mfethu. Wahleka.
Wakuphima ushaya ezinye lapha. Khala ngawo.
Ngizafuna ukuyikhuluma ndoda azini izinto ayihambanga kahle. Ayihambanga kahle izinto mfethu. Amajida bengitshela ukuthi ayeza ngala eDubai ama-tycoon so now actually I wanted to confirm ukuthi kodwa phela ngingezwa ukuthi ngathi bekuno music bebe sawuphusha so ngasathi mina no they should give themselves time until beze bebe grand and then bese siyakhuluma ngoba vele nami ngiyabuya vele manje ngoJuly I think lapho sizodibana then we talk about it.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
Support ama-tycoon.
Yeah, bangi approachile because phela bazi ukuthi ngiseDubai nabo bebithi khona ingoma bebeyenzile nami ngiyafuna ukuba nemali ingoma bikanjalo ikhuluma ngeDubai and stuff then base bethi bafuna ukuzokwenza music video this side ngathi mina no it's not a problem. Yeah.
Okay, ngizoba check I haven't spoken to them about that but ngizoba check ngikukhipha.
Cool. And then ifethu intwana yakho ikhipha ngayo ngoba khona lentwana yakhumbula ebeyithi ngathi ayizala kanjani nagcina nenze iDNA Samkelo.
Hayi bo. But we are in this DNA mawucabanga ukuthi ikhona into ekhona.
Oh yeah. Niyafana kodwa.
Siyafana. Yazazi indlela zami.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Actually, you're a good guy. Manje ngathi kade uyelobola kunjani bekuphithakele lapha eSouth Africa kuthi uyalobola kwenzakalani? Ithini into mfethu nasi story?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button and also don't forget to smash the like button. I really don't know why bantu balogo abathi malubolo aSamkelo Shezi and Umbali Zamadoshe bekwi content or do you really think ukuthi malabadzala bangahlala bahlalele content samusenga ukuthi music video kephi did you guys see cameras? So uThami Nyandeni like has really determined ukuthi athole ukuthi what is really happening and nkosi yami nganitshela ukuthi uThami did find out ukuthi uSamkelo actually really paid lobola for Umbali. Guys, this love is real, it's genuine. It's not even a content. We know what people have been dragging Umbali saying hey mubi nani mfeno hey uSamkelo why is he dating muno mubi njengambali kufanele date nabani nawe Singasho guys, asisho nje manje sivume isekele mona, sisho ukuthi yinhle into yezingane, siyaphinza futhi siyasho ukuthi halala. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.